Hey everyone, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar or profile picture in Rocket League on PlayStation and Xbox. If you've been searching through the game settings but can't find the option, don't worry, I've sketched it out and edited some pictures here on how to actually do it. Let's get started. Once you launch Rocket League, you'll arrive at the main menu. A lot of players think they can change their profile somewhere in here, so they start looking through the menus. Even if you open the garage or check your profile, you'll notice there's no setting to change your avatar or profile picture. That's because Rocket League doesn't let you change your profile picture inside the game. Instead, it automatically uses the profile picture from your PlayStation or Xbox account. So you'll need to change it from your console settings instead. If you're playing on PlayStation, go back to your home screen, then select your profile icon in the top right corner. After opening your profile, choose Profile and then select Edit Profile. Next, select your avatar, browse through the available avatars, and choose the one you'd like to use. Once you've selected it, save your changes. If you're using an Xbox, press the Xbox button and open up My Profile. Select Customize Profile, then choose Change Gamer Profile Picture. Pick one of the available gamer pictures or upload your own using the Xbox app if your account supports custom gamer pictures. Save your changes once you're done. That's it. After your console profile updates, Rocket League will automatically display your new avatar the next time it syncs with your account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Rocket League tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.